How you doing? This is Reverend William. Got a second? Okay, I'm ready for give you a Saturday evening nugget. Well, how do you really interact with Source, God, right? Universe. Again, I'm not big on labels. How do you really interact? How do you really arrive at your own destination? Let me give you a metaphoric answer. It's like your GPS. Follow me? It's like your GPS. For example, when you want to get somewhere and you don't actually know the direction to get there, what do? Well, you put in your destination in the GPS, because if you knew the way, you wouldn't need the GPS. Isn't that right? But you don't know the way. So you put it in your GPS, and then you start to move your automobile. And if you don't move your automobile, you don't get direction. And if you are driving, follow me, if you are driving and you happen to stop, guess what happens? The direction stops. So what is our relationship with Source? The first thing you have to do is take possession, right? You already own it. If you take possession as if you already own it, then what you have to do is listen for inspiration. That inspiration comes in the form of what? Direction. Do this. Go 1,000 yards and make a left there. Apply here. Go back to school. Whatever it is that you need to do to get to your destination, if you're quiet, if you be still, because the word says this, be still and know. But you have to be still and know and expect to be inspired with inspiration, with direction to get you where you want to go. Let me give you a good example. For those of you who employ the Bible, there's a man by the name of Joshua. And Joshua was charged with the battle of Jericho. Follow me? But before he actually went into battle, he was told, you're already victorious. I've already given you Jericho and the mighty man. Now, what did Joshua have to do? Take possession. In other words, on the inside, become victorious on the inside, and then listen for inspiration. So what he heard was, now this is what I want you to do. Since you're already victorious, I want you to march around Jericho 6 times. Don't say a word, don't let nobody talk. And on the 7th day, 6 days, 1 time a day for 6 days. But on the 7th day, march around 7 times for what? Total of 13. And after you marched around the 7th time, scream. Loud scream. And the walls will just tumble down. You know the rest of the story, right? Take possession as if you already own it. And then listen for inspiration. Now, once you get the inspiration, do your due diligence. Remember, even in the example of the automobile, even though the GPS was providing direction, you still had to drive. Blessings.